Friends, if you are looking for trending videos to get more views, you can open YouTube and go to YouTube trending session. Here click on trending topics. Here trending topic, click on it. How many trending topics are there? I suggest that you should create a video on this topic, like on drama therapy, left or right, create burger challenge, drama therapy, create video on this drama, and another short video, Guru. Here is another drama, Guru. You can create video on this. So these are trending topics. You can choose and create video on these topics. And here is film of Chennai Express. You can create a video on these topics. So I have told that how you can create video on trending topic to get more views. So create videos on this topic from trending section.